Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to see mathematics and we are still in multiplication chapter 3, isn't it children? Today we are going to see the last exercise, that is exercise 3.6 word sums. We are going to see word sums. Okay children, see it's given in page number 52. It's given in page number 52. See here 12 sums are there children, but we can't learn all the 12 sums. So I am going to teach you only the first 5 sums. I am going to teach you only the first 5 sums. Okay children? Okay. We'll see the first sum. Preeti collected rupees 50 from each member. Each means what children? 1. Each means what children? 1 member. Preeti collected rupees 150 from each member of the book club for purchasing books. If there are 9 members, how much money did Preeti collect? Understood children? If you read once or twice, you will be very, you can find the answer easily. Understood children? Okay, we'll see the answer now. Okay children, we'll see the answer now. The first sum. Okay children, Preeti collected how much children? Rupees 150 from each member. Each member means what I said children? 1 member. Okay, so amount collected from 1 member. So 1 member, how much they collected children? Rupees 150. Rupees 150. So how many members are there children? If there are 9 members, so how many members are there? Number of members? 9. Number of members? How many of them are there? 9. So what we have to find, for 1 member if they collect 150 means for 9 members how much money they are going to collect. So amount collected from 9 members. So from 9 members how much they are collecting children? What we have to do children? We have to multiply. So what you have to do? Rupees 150 multiply by 9. Rupees 150 multiply by 9. So if you multiply, see if you know to directly, if you know to multiply, you can find out the answer. You will feel hard, isn't it? So what you can do? You can do it in the rough work, or otherwise you can do it like this. So 150 multiply by 9. So if you are thorough in 9 tables, you can directly do the sums. Otherwise what you can do? You can write it down and then you can do it the sums. Okay. 9 0 is 0. 9 5 is 45. So 45 means what you have to do? You have to write the 5 and you bring up the 4 here. So 9 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 what children? 10, 11, 12, 13. So how much amount they collected from 9 members children? So therefore total amount Preeti collected from 9 members. From 9 members is rupees 1350. Understood children? Total amount Preeti collected from 9 members is how much amount? Rupees 1350. Okay children, have you understood? Shall we see the second sum? Okay, shall we read the second sum children? Yes. John pays rupees 997 towards his school fee every month. Here also every means what children? 1 month. Every means what? 1 month. Here each member means what children? 1 member. Understood? Don't forget. So every month means 1 month. Find the amount paid as fee for a year. So in a year how many months are there children? 12 months. In a year how many months are there? 12 months are there. So if for 1 month if you pay rupees 997 means for 12 months how much amount you are going to pay towards the fee? Understood children? Towards his school fee. Okay children, we'll see the second sum. School fee. See, for word sums, the sentence is important. Many of them did not do the steps. If you are not doing the steps, I'll minus 2 marks. So be careful. You have to do the step. You have to write the steps. School fee paid for 1 month. For 1 month you can write. Otherwise you can write every month also. You can write, no problem. So for 1 month, how much rupees? Rupees 997. So number of months, how many months are there, children? You have to find out, children. Number of months. Number of months in a year. Number of months in a year. 12. Isn't it, children? So how many months are there? 12 months. Number of months in a year. 12. So amount paid for a year. Amount paid for a year. See, if you are thorough in one sum, means you can do all the sums easily, children. So what you have to do? You have to multiply rupees 997 into 12. You have to multiply. So this is by 2 digit, isn't it? First sum we saw 1 digit and here we are seeing 2 digit. So what you have to do, children? 997 multiply by 12. So it's very easy table. 2 sevens are 14. 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. And again 2 nines are 18 plus 1, 19. Okay. So when you multiply by 2, you get 1994. And when you multiply by 1, what you get? See, this is tens column. Tens column means what you have to do, children? You have to put 1 0, isn't it? Don't forget to put 0. If you don't put 0, the sum will be wrong. 1 7 is 7. 1 9 is 9. And again 1 9 is 9. So we have to add this both the number. 4 plus 0, 4. 9 plus 7, children. See, if you feel hard, what you have to do? You have to keep it in your mind. 9 in the mind, 7 in the finger. So after 9, what will come? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And again 9 plus 1, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. And again 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. So what answer, children? 11,964. 11,964. So therefore amount, see, I will write here. So therefore amount paid as a fee for a year is rupees 11,964. So for 12 months, how much they are paying, children? 11,964. Okay, children, we'll see the third sum. Okay, children, we'll see the third sum. A farmer plants 135 apple trees in a row. So in a row means what, children? 1 row. So in 1 row, how many apple trees are there? 135 apple trees. How many apple trees will he plant in 32 such rows? So in 1 row, 135 apple trees means in 32 rows, how many apple trees the farmer is going to plant? He has planted, we are going to see. Okay, children. So number of apple trees. Number of apple trees. So number of apple trees, how many apple trees, children? Number of apple trees in a row. Number of apple trees in a row. In a row, how many apple trees, children? 135. 135. So number of rows, children, how many rows are there? Number of rows. ROWS. Rows means, see, pronunciation is same, isn't it? See, the pronunciation is same, but the spellings are. Rows means what? What will say? Line. In a line. Rows means in a line. don't feel that ROSE, rows. Okay, children? Okay. So, how many rows are there? 32. 32. So, number of apple trees. Number of apple trees in 32 rows. So we have to find out. So what you have to do? 135 into 32 into 32. So when you multiply, see 135, this also 2 digit, 32. 2 5s are 10. Easy table, isn't it, children? 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 1 is 2. 2 1 is 2. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 2 1 is 2. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Now, when you multiply with 3 digit number, what you have to do, children? You have to add 1 0. So, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. If you get confusion, what you can do? You can strike it out this one. Okay, children? So, 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. And 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Now, when you add both the number, what you get, children? 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 7 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 2 plus 1, 3. And you have to bring down this 4 as it is. So, how many apple trees are there, children? 4,320. 4,320. So, a farmer, therefore, a farmer plants 4,320 apple trees in 32 rows. In 32 rows. Okay, children? So, how many apple trees are there in 32 rows? 4,320. Okay, children? So, after writing each sum, what you have to do, children? You have to draw a line. Question you have to write in black. You have to write in black and then answer. See, don't think Miss has written only answer, so we can also write only answer. No, what you have to do, you have to copy down the question from the book. You have to copy down the question from the book and then you have to write the answer. This one in black and the answer in blue. Okay, children? Then what you have to do, you have to draw a line using the scale. Don't think Miss is drawing by hand, so we can also draw by hand. No, not like that. Okay, children? Yes, we'll see the fourth sum. Yes. There are 365 days in a year. This also the same. Year means what, children? 1. A means 1. There are 365 days in a year. How many days are there in 8 years? So, for in 1 year, 365 days. Isn't it, children? Yes. If a leap year only, 366 will come. Isn't it? So, in 8 years, how many days are there? You have to find out. Yes, fourth sum. Number of days in a year. So, number of days in a year, how many days are there, children? 365. And number of years, we have to find for how many years, children? Number of years given in the question. How many years they have given? 8. Isn't it? So, number of days in 8 years is equal to what you have to do? 365 multiplied by 8 you have to multiply. Then you can find the answer. 365 multiplied by 8. So if you are thorough in 8 tables, you can do the sum easily. Otherwise, you will feel very hard. 8 5s are 40. So 6 8s are what, children? 6 8s are 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are no, it's sorry, children. 8 6 are what? What will come, children? 8 6 are 48 plus 4. What will come, children? 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Okay. Now 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So total how many days are there in 8 years, children? 2920. So there are 2920 days in 8 years. In 8 years. Okay. Can we see the last sum, children? See, because all the sums are same only. Solely I am teaching only 5 sums. Okay, children? 215 books are placed in a rack. Here also a rack means what, children? 1. So 215 books are placed in a rack. There are 42 such racks. So 43 such racks. So rack means what? Shelf we'll say, isn't it, children? Yes. So in one rack 215 books means in 43 such racks how many books are there? We have to find. It's in the library. Okay, racks in the library. How many books does the library have? Okay, so we will find out number of books. Number of books in one rack. Otherwise you can write a rack also. Okay, children? So 215. And number of racks. Number of racks 43. Number of racks 43. So number of books in 43 racks we have to find out, isn't it? So how we have to find out? You have to multiply. So 215 multiplied by 43 we have to do. So 215 multiplied by 43. Okay. 3 5s are 15. 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 2s are 6. So 645. And then while coming to the tens column, the tens column 4. So what you have to do, children? You have to put 1 0. 4 5s are 20. To avoid confusion, what you can do, children? You can strike it out this one. 4 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 6. 4 2s are 8. So when you add this both the number, what do we get, children? 5 plus 0 5. 4 plus 0 4. 6 plus 6 12. And 1 plus 8 9. So how many books are there in 43 racks, children? 9245. So therefore there are 9245 books in 43 racks. Okay, children? So see, on the method, all the some 5 sums, the methods are same. Only the numbers has been different, isn't it? And the steps we have to write according. By seeing the question itself, we can find out the steps. Okay, children? So only 5 sums I have taught. What you can do? Rest of the sums you can practice at home in your rough notebook. In your rough notebook you can practice and do. Okay, children? Okay, I hope you will be completing till, see, in today we have completed chapter 3 multiplication, and next YouTube class or next class we will be taking new chapter 4 division. Okay, children? For division also tables is a must. It's very important, so you have to learn the tables properly. Okay, children? We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.